Okay, let's be totally honest. Blender's native FBX support can sometimes feel like trying to fit a square peg in a round hole. You import a character from Maya or 3ds Max, and suddenly the bones are pointing in 10 different directions, the materials are missing, and your animations are just gone. It's enough to make you want to pull your hair out. But that's exactly why I use Better FBX Importer and Exporter. It's built from scratch using the official FBX SDK, so it actually speaks the language of other software perfectly. The automatic bone orientation is a literal lifesaver. It fixes those ugly bone rotations automatically while keeping your animations 100% intact. And for the game devs out there, this thing is a powerhouse. It handles mesh LODs for Unreal and Unity, exports game-friendly armatures from Rigify, and even supports UDM mapping and PBR materials. Whether you're sending a robot to Godot or a character to Unity, it just works. No more failed to import errors or weird scale issues. It's the bridge Blender artists have been waiting for.